When I try to download an app from the App Store, it doesn't download. If you have the same problem as me, let's see how to fix it. Open the Settings app. Click on Screen Time. Click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn it off and on. Click on Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure all apps are enabled on here. Click Apps. Click on the App Store. Click on App Downloads. Select Always Allow. Click on your name. Sign out of your Apple account and sign in again. Now go to General. Tap iPhone Storage. Sometimes the app does not download because the storage is full. Now delete some unused apps to free up iPhone storage. Open the App Store now. Try downloading the app. See, the app is downloading now.